Greetings from the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. My name is Susan Stevenson, and I'd like to welcome you to this meditation for pressure. It is designed to focus and calm your mind so you can better cope with pressure. At the end of this meditation, you may choose to drift off to sleep or return to your day. I invite you now to sit or lie in a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. You may choose to place a pillow behind your head and another one under your knees to support them. I encourage you to either drop your gaze or close your eyes completely and to turn your focus to your breath. Begin now to breathe in your regular rhythm, in and then out. Focus on taking in as much breath as you can and then breathing out completely. Gradually slow your breath to help yourself to reduce your heart rate. The feeling of pressure is often the result of challenging experiences that put us under pressure, and the body responds with a faster heartbeat or breathing. Slowing your breath will give your body and mind the message that all is under control and well, and the survival responses of a faster heart rate and breathing are not needed right now. Another way our bodies express a feeling of being under pressure is with invasive thoughts, little alerts that enter our mind and demand attention. If you've ever seen films about volcanoes, they often show you images of lava pressure building up and then exploding high into the air, hot and fiery, before cooling and running down a mountainside. People under high levels of pressure often experience emotions and thought build-up and explosions similar to what we might view on a volcano film, except volcano pressure relates to lava, and pressure for people manifests as thoughts and feelings. Just as a volcanic explosion can be dangerous and have serious consequences, so too can pressures building up within people. Rest now and breathe out regularly. Give up the idea that you have somewhere to go or something else to do. It is very important when we are under pressure to create a space to be calm and still, to return to ourselves. Returning to ourselves will help us to relax, to calm our bodies, to compose ourselves, to regulate ourselves, and to begin to think clearly. After we calm ourselves, we will be better equipped to respond to the pressure we are experiencing. Now notice your breath again, regular and comforting. As you breathe, consider, what type of pressure are you under? Often when we feel pressure, our instinct is to do anything to relieve that pressure, to fight, to run, or to freeze. By breathing calmly and identifying the type of pressure we are under, we reduce the risk of taking hasty actions that could cause more pressure or negative consequences. Consider, are you under social pressures from others? Are you under physical threat or pressure? Is someone threatening to hurt you or putting financial pressure on you? Are you under intellectual pressure? Is what happening to you difficult to think through and resolve? Are you under ethnic or cultural pressures? Are others judging or excluding you? Are you under emotional pressure? Is someone trying to blackmail you or pressure you to feel guilty? Or is the pressure coming because of beliefs or values you have? Or is the pressure you're under a combination of these things? Understanding the type of pressure you are under will support you to identify the nature of and where the pressure you are under is coming from. This will support you to take the steps that are likely to be effective and reduce the pressure. Now begin to notice the air being drawn in through your nose and then breathed out. Feel the air coming in and bringing oxygen to your cells and moving to your brain and clearing your head and allowing you to have the space to think about the pressures you are under. Begin to draw the air in and fill your lungs as you breathe in. And then as you breathe out, actually push the breath out. And as you do, feel with each breath out that you are pushing away pressure from you. Now place your hands on your lower ribs. Feel the air coming in through your nose, moving to your chest, and then expanding and widening your stomach. Your hands will feel this expansion. Then notice, as you breathe out, how your stomach sinks, your chest relaxes, and then the air leaves through your mouth or nose. Notice after you breathe out, there is a little pause after you have fully expelled your breath before the pattern begins again. See if you can breathe out more slowly now than you breathe in. As you breathe in and then breathe out very slowly, you will begin to feel more calm and less pressured. If your feelings of being under pressure are still strong, be still. And remember that the feeling of being pressured is a caring message from your body and mind to you. Give your body and mind time to absorb and hear this message. Breathe in smoothly, in and then out. Know that strong feelings of pressure can fill your body with adrenaline and cortisol, which is designed to help you to fight or run or freeze. If your feelings of being pressured are strong and seem to be impacting your thoughts and mind, now focus on breathing slowly and breathing away these natural chemicals and the pressure they make you feel. Repeat your pattern of breathing in fully and then breathing out slowly. Continue to breathe like this, and you will begin to notice your sense of pressure reducing and being replaced with a calm and grounded feeling. You then begin to notice the surface you are resting on. You notice that it seems solid and holds you. The surface beneath you is strong and supportive, like you. You can see how the surface is connected to the earth. And you begin to notice how the thoughts and feelings that were rushing into you now are beginning to feel separate from you. You are increasingly less affected by them. Their impact on you and their demand for an instant response simply begins to reduce as you breathe away and push away this feeling of pressure. You begin to slowly breathe and take the time and give yourself the space to exhale fully. You begin to stretch from the tips of your toes to your fingers. You stretch out fully, and then you notice as you cease stretching and begin to relax, that tension is changed for a feeling of relaxation and calm. You check, is the feeling of pressure gone? If the sense of pressure lasted through most of this meditation, you resolve to do this meditation again. It can take time to actually reduce and lose a sense of built-up pressure. You know that if this feeling of pressure persists, you must be extra kind and patient with yourself and seek further support if you cannot reduce it through doing this meditation repeatedly. You now choose to drift off or return to your day. If you choose to drift off and sleep, simply turn this meditation off. If you would like to return to your day, stretch again, then wriggle your fingers and toes and relax into a soft shape. Open your eyes fully, look around you, and gradually sit up and begin to stand up and return to your day. Thank you for joining this meditation for pressure and the restoration of your universal well-being. Remember that pressure is released when you let it pass by. You do not have to receive this pressure and hold it. You can simply duck and let that pressure move by. Enjoy your sleep or day.